Hey everybody, how are you? I'm just enjoying a Hawaiian sushi bowl right now. Mm-mm. Mm. This sushi bowl is actually from Big Y. In fact, I ordered different variety of sushi, but they make really good sushi. I mean, really good sushi. Mm. Mm. Hmm. They usually put the ginger and stuff in it, but they didn't have ginger and stuff in this one, unfortunately. Makes a big difference when they put the right sauce. This one actually didn't have the sauce on it. I had bought a spicy one. It's not the same, but at least I had something, and I had some soy sauce. But they usually put all that stuff in the bowl, but they didn't. So I don't know what happened. They usually put the soy sauce, the ginger, the wasabi, and all that stuff in it, and that makes a difference for the sushi. But it's still good without it, but makes a difference when it's in it. I've been thinking about making my own sushi and stuff for a while, so we'll see what happens.